Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans did finish modestly higher on Wednesday, seeing an oversold bounce after the early losses. Continuing to keep an eye on weather in South America and waiting to see what happens tomorrow and Friday in this next round of trade negotiations with China. Corn also finished modestly higher, supported by short covering, also watching South America and waiting to see what happens with China. Been a lot more talk about China buying U.S. corn lately, and the USDA will be issuing 6 weeks of shutdown delayed export sales numbers this upcoming Friday. After that, they get current. Wheat closed lower. Contracts there are definitely oversold at this point, but with this lack of export demand, it's hard to get a whole lot of traction. Live and feeder cattle were mostly higher ahead of widespread direct cash cattle business. By Wednesday afternoon, the major feeding areas remained pretty quiet. 0 head sold this week again at the Fed Cattle Exchange. And hogs were mostly lower with expanded trading limits. Cash business was steady to lower during the session, and while pork was up at midday, it's lost a lot of ground recently. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.